Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhi. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for analysis of financial management. My topic name is top down and bottom up approach. So let's see. What is a top down and bottom up approach? Top down and bottom up are both a strategy for of information processing and knowledge ordering using variety of fields including software, humanistic and scientific theory and a management organization. In practice, they can see in a style of thinking, technique or leadership. So let's see the slide. The top and bottom up approach are method to analyze choose to security how them also appear may other areas of business, finance, investing, economic. While the two schemes are common term, many investors get them confused or don't fully understand the difference between the approaches. Each approach can be quite simple. The top-down approach goes from a general to the specific, and bottom-up approach begins to the specific and moves to the general. These methods are possible approaches for a wide range of endeavor, such as a goal setting, budgeting, and forecasting. In the financial world, analysis or whole companies may be tasked with for focusing on one over other. So understand the natures of both the importance. So next slide. What is the top-down approaches? Is also known as stepwise design and stepwise refinement. In some cases, use the synonyms of decomposition is essentially breaking down of a system to gain insight into its compositional subsystem, reverse engineering fashion. In top-down approach, the management in a term or a project manager make decision which will filter down to the hierarchical structure. Manager gathers knowledge, analyzes it, draws the actionable conclusion. They develop process what are communicate to the implement the rest of team. You may hear this style of management referred to command and control or authoritative leadership. The top-down approach is probably what you think of them. You think of management process. Traditional industries like retail, healthcare, or manufacturing typically apply the top-down management styles. So, purpose of top-down encourage students to focus more on understanding the main ideas of passage to understanding every word. If students do not understand each word, they are likely to grasp the meaning of text as a whole. Encourage the student to relay their own knowledge and use context clue to understand new concept or word. Help fulfill determine what pronunciation was correct is a particular text. When to use the top-down approach. Today's very few organizations apply purely top-down approach to management. Most teams apply the hybrid approach that falls somewhere along a spectrum of combination between top-down and bottom-up management style. The top-down approach is more rigid and structured to team with multiple sub-team, many different project parts, or any other factor that make process difficult to keep organized will benefit from incorporate element of top-down methodology. Smaller team or team with a narrower project focus will have the freedom to lean more heavily of the bottom-up style. Next is bottom-up approach. So bottom-up approach is an analysis make the completely different approach. Generally, the bottom-up approach focus is analyze on specific characteristics and micro attributes of individual stock. In a bottom-up invested concentrated is on business by business or sector by sector's fundamental. This analysis seeks to identify profitable opportunity to the industries of the company's attributes and valuation in cooperation or to the market. Bottom-up investing begins to research the company level but does not stop there. This analysis why company fundamentals heavily but also look at the sector, the microeconomic factor as well as such as bottom-up investing can be somewhat broad across the entire industry such as bottom-up investing can be somewhat broad across to the laser focus on identify key attributes. Example, during the design and development, new product designer and engineer rely on both bottom and top down approach. The bottom up approach is being utilized when off the shelf or existing components are selected and integrated into the product. For an example, shows the example, would you select a particular fastener means of such as a bolt and designing the receiving component such as fastener will fit properly. In the top down approach, a customer fastener would be designed such it would fit properly in receiving component for a perspective of a product with a more restrictive requirement such as weight, geometry, safety, environment, etc. Such as space suit, a more top-down approaches is taken and almost everything is custom designed. Example of bottom-up approach, many people thinking creative industry when they think of the grassroots management style. Startup are also linked in ground level thinking and individual everyone's opinion. Additionally, the top-down is also known as in fact of HR department existing to the ensure that company employees are happy, well taken care. Next is the benefits of bottom-up approach management. Employee buy-in, risk identification, broader knowledge base, improving collaboration. First of all, employee buy-in. One of the most obvious benefit bottom-up approach is the fact that employee will feel far more involved with your organization and interested in its future success. Risk identification. As there is a greater degree of communication and feedback from those actively involved in a project task, there will also the greater information about the level of risk content in those tasks and how likely issues are occur. Broader knowledge base. When you start using the bottom-up approach, you will realize something which you should probably have already known that individual team members have a greater knowledge of their specific field than you do, improving collaboration. The larger a project, the more likely the particular team unit get a soiled and miss out the communicating with the other involved in project. The structure of bottom-up and top-down approaches. Bottom-up approaches economy, sector, company, and then bottom-up approach. The top-down approach is economy, sector, and company in a down to top. That is a top-down approaches. So difference between the top-down and bottom-up approach. Un- Underestimated and one-way approach. It's a underestimated and one-way approach. Bottom-up approach, specific and analytic approach. Target given by executives in top-down approach. Bottom up approach executives set the direction and define the mission to clarify the top and bottom approach. Bottom up approach. Employee follow instruction means of a pusher. Employee involvement in identifying and delivering optimization means of share the ideas about typically long execution time. Bottom up approach is a typically long execution means of is a create a more time. Typically it's a short execution time. Next is typically short term impact on company status, and a bottom up approach strong impact of company status quo in the long term and tangential and lasting result. Well, example of fastener. Thank you.